It's January 12th, 2015, and welcome to the Dr. K Birthday Roast. Local comedian and comedy videographer Ben Flint is celebrating his birthday today. I believe Friday night Ben was out at a comedy show that Brett James hosts at Tinker Air Force Base, and why can't I ever perform over there in front of the servicemen? I was once a POW, prisoner of wife. I mean, I'm not saying that my ex-wife is a control freak or anything like that, but I have supervised visitation of our daughter. She's 25. Okay. That's okay. Took some of them a while to get that one, I guess. Alright, who else has a birthday today? Cheryl Griner Gummerson has a birthday today. And I'd also like to wish a happy birthday to Emma Catherine Lukey. And thank you for watching the Dr. K Birthday Roast.